Welcome to What to Expect When We're Inspecting. I'm Randy and this is Adam.
Today we're here at the City Hall building, second floor in the Building Safety Department.
Before we start walking you through the inspection process, we thought it'd be important to let you know when, why, and how to get a permit. So today we're going to walk through that process. So why is it necessary to get permits? In building safety, we focus on safety, the safety of your family and the safety of your neighbors. It'll give you peace of mind knowing that your project was done right the first time. It'll also protect your investment. Most homeowners insurance companies don't cover illegal additions. And when you sell your home, the next buyer may not be able to get financing until the illegal additions are brought up to code or the additions are removed.
So now let's talk about when you need permits. So you'll need permits for new buildings or additions, detached garages or storage sheds over 120 square feet, patio covers, gazebos, carports, renovations such as changing a carport into a garage, replacing equipment such as water heaters and air conditioners, adding or removing electrical, including solar electric, meaning your solar system on your roof, adding or removing plumbing, including solar water heaters. So now that you have an idea of when you need permits, there are a few things that you don't need permits for. Fences under 6 feet tall, painting, cabinets, replacing a broken piece of glass. If you ever have any questions, you can always contact the Building Safety Department. We're always here to help.
Once you pull a permit, it becomes a permanent record to your house, attached to it by its address. So if you ever want to know what's gone on at your house in the past, or if you're buying a foreclosure and you want to make sure that all the additions are legal, you can come down and we can show you your permit record.
So you may be wondering how much permits cost. A simple water heater replacement will run you about $40. An average patio, 200 square feet, it's going to cost you about $200–300. Give us a call if you have any questions about your project.
So the next step is, how do you get a permit? Every permit starts with a permit application. That's how we get the information we need from you to put into our system and put onto the permit. So a basic permit application has general information about the project. Who's building it, what they're building. A description could be building a shed in the backyard. If the owner is building it, then we'll definitely need their information, but if you're going to have a contractor, we'll also need the contractor's license number. Once they filled out the application, they'll sign it that all the information on there is correct, and we'll start the permitting process. If you want to get a copy of this, you can go online to glendaleaz.com or come down to our office. We have paper copies available.
So for an air conditioner replacement or water heater replacement, an application is all that you'll need to provide us. If you're building something, you'll need to provide us a set of plans.
So if you go online or you come in, we can give you standard plans. They're fill in the blank. You put in the size and shape of patio you want or room addition. They give you all the basics. If you're going to do something larger and more complicated, you're going to need a larger set of plans.
Right here we've got a one-car garage addition. Much more details involved. Homeowners usually don't draw these. Usually they'll hire an architect or a draftsman to help them out.
And the whole point of bringing plans is to make sure that your project meets the current building codes.
So once your plans are approved by the city, you're going to want to keep your new permit and plans on site at all times for the inspector to reference.
Congratulations, you got your plans and permits approved and you're ready to start construction. Remember once you start, not to cover anything up until you've had your inspection.
So when you're ready for an inspection, you'll want to call our inspection line. We have a simple form, it'll walk you right through it. When it asks you for a 3-digit code, those are all included in the back.
So when I ask you for a 3-digit code, just flip the paper over and there's a handy list with 3-digit codes on the back. This brings us to the inspection portion of our series, What to Expect When We're Inspecting. That series walks you through all the necessary inspections and what we're looking for during those inspections.
Now we've gone over a lot of information, so if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. For Randy and Adam, we'll see you next time.